to light the butter lamp and offer the traditional scarf at the altar. And in the meanwhile, we will recite the traditional prayer for world peace and happiness. Yeah. Light the lamp. At first, I'll make a very quick welcome note, and thereafter, Madam Maria will take over from me. And at first, a very good evening to all the dignitaries from Hungary, the Tibetan settlement officer, the principal and students of Samvara Tibetan School, representatives of Tibetan NGOs, the members of Lions Club Darjeeling, members of Manjushu Center of Tibetan Culture, and all other dignitaries who are present here this evening for the program. We have some more guests coming, but then I think we'll just carry on. So, yeah. Manjushu Center of Tibetan Culture is delighted to be part of today's program, organized by the Hungarian Culture Department, headed by Madam Maria, for the opening photo exhibition from Mr. Victor Juho at the Himalayan Tibet Museum, who cycled all the way from the birthplace of Alexander Choma Sando, following his tram path till Darjeeling, covering a distance of 13,000 kilometers. Well, you are aware that Manjushu Center of Tibetan Culture and the monks of Darjeeling Monastery pay tribute to the great Hungarian scholar, Mr. Alexander Choma Center, every year on the 11th of April by offering prayers and butter lamps at the cemetery. Well, recently, the president of Manjushu Center, now Tenzin Gyatso, he was in Vietnam, and while in Vietnam, he had visited the site or the place where Alexander Choma had lived for some time. And then when he visited the site, when he went to the site, he found a very beautiful stupa that in Tibetan we call Shuten, a beautiful Shuten, designed as per Tibetan style. And then he made of course he made his prayer at the side. And then he made a photograph of him and the children at the side. And then he has forwarded it to Manjushri and requested me to share this photograph with the dignitaries and everyone who are present here for the program. So I printed the photo, and I really want to share it with you. It's really beautiful. So I've got it printed here. So this is in Vietnam. No? This is the photograph of the stupa. In Tibetan we call it Choten. Okay? And our president now is Gyatso. I think most of you know him. And he was there and he had taken this photograph. Now this Choten here, this Choten is just below South China Sea. That's what he told me. Just below South China Sea. And when you can see some text, this is built in memory of Alexander Choma. So there's a certain text written at the base, which I will recite, or rather read out to everybody. So this is a beautiful Choten, which looks very well maintained and very beautiful. So this is a traditional Tibetan style. Yeah. So I think everybody saw it. Yeah. So I'll just read what is written there. So it says, in memory of Hungarian scholar and Bodhisattva. It's written, in memory of Hungarian scholar and Bodhisattva, Alexander Choma de Korosi, 1784 to 1842. So this means he lived for 58 years. And this Tibetan style Choten is erected through the generous contribution of Mr. Roy C. Alexander. Mr. Roy C. Alexander on 10th of August 1972. So this Choten was built when I worked it out 52 years back. But this looks really very well maintained and very beautiful. So this is what he wanted to share today with every one of us here. Yeah. And now I request Madam Maria to take over today's program. And thank you so much for allowing me to speak a few words on behalf of Manjushri Center. Thank you so much.
Welcome everybody. I'm really happy to see so many people for our program. So I am the director of the List Institute Hungarian Culture Center. We are based in Delhi, but we like to move out more and more, and Darjeeling is a really special place for us. We are here to promote the Hungarian culture. We are very happy when we find connections. And actually, Alexander Choma de Kőrös is one of the biggest and most important link between India and Hungary. And especially, we are happy to be here because in Darjeeling itself, people know much more about him, appreciate him much more. Just briefly to tell you, maybe for the students who knows, that Alexander Choma de Kőrös, he was a Hungarian, he was from a noble but poor family, and he was very talented. So he spoke more than 17 languages, and he got a scholarship for each and every school. So he went to Göttingen, the actual Germany, and there he studying the languages, that, he just had the idea that most probably, according to him, Hungarian came from somewhere here. So he made up his mind to come this side to find the cradle of the Hungarian mainland and some Hungarians left behind. And that's why when in 1819 he settled up for a journey, and on camel, on boat, or by walk, he came along. So he reached to Zangla, he was Ladakh, he spent 10 years in Kolkata as the librarian at the Asiatic Society, and he started to study Sanskrit and Tibetan. And what was his aim? He thought that learning Tibetan and reading the old ancient texts, he will find references to these Hungarians left behind. And actually, it never happened. But in the meantime, on the other hand, he discovered old, very old, ancient Tibetan texts, what people thought that were already lost long time ago. He composed the first ever Tibetan English dictionary and the grammar. So he became the founder of a new scholarship, what we call the Tibetan Studies now. There's a quote which we will find also downstairs, which I find particularly nice and summarizing that he came here to found the cradle of Hungarians, but he found his own grave, especially in Darjeeling, but also the immortality. Immortality because we are here today, we are talking about him, and also because there is a young Hungarian man who made up himself, also his mind, and started an expedition called By Two Wheels on the Road of Trauma. So soon he will talk about, and obviously he will talk, he has to talk much more than me, but before I have to thank the Manjushri Tibetan Center, Culture Center. Actually we are colleagues, culture centers, Tibetan culture and Hungarian culture, and the Himalayan Tibet Museum, and actually in the entire Darjeeling, because we are coming here since a long time, me especially since 3 years, and the Rotary Club, and I mean everybody here in Darjeeling are really helpful, and we are really enjoying to be here. And now I think it's better that we start the videos.